I've used this box and brand of saxophone reeds, 3-strength Vandorens for my classical saxophone playing. I've always trusted this brand for its quality. Let's go ahead and open up this reed to see what we got. Now the reason why they wrap them individually is because inside this bag they have a humidity control. So the humidity within this bag is specifically for the bamboo inside so that it doesn't dry out too quickly, preserving the quality of the reed for much longer than had they shipped it without any of these bags. So now as I look at this reed, I can see that it looks like it has a great shape. There's some grains over here that don't quite match. Maybe there's a little bit of space here. But all in all, this is not a bad reed. I trust this brand for my classical saxophone playing, or if I'm playing in orchestral settings or wind ensemble where they need a good solid tone. Nothing too jazzy here. I would use this for more classical music and when I'm studying the saxophone. The thing about 3 reeds is that when you start off with 2.5, your embouchure hasn't developed, so you're going to want to upgrade to 3 reeds as soon as you can. That way, it might be a little bit tricky in the beginning, but you're gonna end up with a much better sound and more control when you have 3 reeds. And these 3 reeds for Vandoren are excellent for classical or studying the saxophone. For good articulation, a controlled tone, and nothing fancy. Just getting the basics of a good tone and flying through those scales. I've trusted 3 Vandoren reeds for over 10 or 15 years now, and I highly recommend them for students just starting out. They just want to take it to the next level, get a 3.